range that had innovation and a luxurious look to it. Let me introduce you to this beautiful LG Signature Iconic Collection 30-inch gas range. This has got a 23,000 BTU dual burner featuring our new AI Gourmet with up to 85 unique recipe options preloaded right into the 6.8-inch display. This is filled with some of the LG technology you love, like air fry and air sous vide. However, our inverter pro bake means we can do a bi-directional fan to make that temperature consistency even better. This 30-inch range also features a camera inside. So not only does it have recipes available, but it can see your food and tell you the best way to cook it. Along with our AI browning that will send you a notification through ThinQ when your croissants are starting to brown so you can take them out when it's your time to shine. If you wanted more places to cook in your kitchen, check out LG Signature Iconic's new 1.7 cubic foot microwave. This is a convection microwave that features both air fry and air sous vide. So you can microwave a cup of coffee, you can bake up some chocolate chip cookies, or air fry your favorite French fries.